Okay, we have a Doall vertical bandsaw, model 2013-20, serial number 377-881328. Machine was new in 1988. We're going to run it for you. Machine has 20-inch throat depth and 13-inch work height. It's variable speed in 2 ranges. It's got a 5 horsepower DC motor. It's original paint. We're running in the low range right now. It goes from 5 to 300 feet per minute in the low range. You have a 26 by 26 inch work table. We're going to switch to the high range. Machine also has a air blower. Okay, put it into high. And it goes up to 5,200 RPM is the high. Okay. Can you open the door and show how fast it's going? Yeah. Machine has a lot of torque, and hey, thank you for watching our video.